Hey, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. Got a quick little video I want to share with you on using the career interest section of your LinkedIn profile. Now, if you have not set up your career interest, then it will not be on your LinkedIn profile. And you can see on mine, it's not on my LinkedIn profile today because I've taken it off. And once you've set up your career interest and you have noted that you're open for opportunities, then you'll be able to edit it from your LinkedIn profile. Okay, the first time you get to it, you got to go to Jobs, and then in Jobs you'll see Career Interest, and you click on that. Now, once you're in Career Interest, what you'll see is there's two sections. Let me go over here and take a look at this. So you may have commute preferences. You may not have this yet. It's rolling out. So I recommend that while you're here, while you're setting this up at least the first time, set your commute preferences while you're here. Now, the way you do that, you click on Change. All right, so setting your commute preferences. It says right here, this is only used for your job recommendations and commute times. Now, it says go learn more here. And this says your address will be used to calculate your commute to jobs. This will not be used to exclude jobs from your recommendations. And then it says learn more. I went to learn more, and right here it says this. You can set your preference locations and your preferred commute time. LinkedIn uses the information you've entered to calculate commute times and recommends jobs based on your preferences. It says it recommends jobs based on your preferences on this document that was updated 3 days ago. But over here, it says this will not be used to exclude jobs from your recommendations. I'm confused. I don't know which is which. However, towards that end, I think what you need to do is you need to make a deliberate decision. What are your commute preferences? So I'm all about driving. I'll drive for no more than an hour, and I'll start driving no earlier than 6 a.m. Be purposeful. And if you say you're willing to start driving at 5:30, then give yourself that. Set up these preferences so that the recommendations you get are the best fitting recommendations for you. And once you set them up, you can then close that. Or if you don't want it anymore, you can hit delete and get rid of it. Now, again, the first time you set up your career interest, you've got to do it from, Jobs, Career Interest, then click on Go to Profile. Now, when you set up your add job preferences, there's four areas here. First is job titles. You want to put job titles that are all around what you're interested in. Okay, and you can only have 5. Let me put 5 in here. Now, once I have 5, when I go to add the next one, it's going to tell me, please select 1 to 5. So I got to get rid of 1. Same thing for locations. Let me add 5 locations. And again, when I add more than 5 locations, it says, please select 1 to 5. I got to get rid of 1. Now, this next piece is really important. If you want a full-time job, put that there. But be open to a conversation about contract jobs. Be open to a conversation about part-time jobs. Be open to a conversation about remote work. All of this is after one thing, to get a conversation in the area that you're interested in doing work in. Okay? Now, here's the next big section. This next box here is choose who sees that you're open. Now, if it's only recruiters, the only people who are seeing this are people who are using the LinkedIn Recruiter product. Now, that's a high-end product, and it is not a massive amount of people using it, okay? Larger corporations, high-end recruiters and recruiting firms, they're using that license for the most part, okay? So that's only going to show up for them. Now, if you make it all LinkedIn members, that's anybody, and what that's going to do is it's going to put that information on your LinkedIn profile. Watch what happens when I do this. I'm going to hit add to profile, and there it is. Open to job opportunities. So again, I told you to start with, you had to go to jobs and career interest. Now this is here. So I can manage this here, and I can hit the pencil, and I can make adjustments to this. Now, I do recommend that you be very purposeful about what you put in for job titles, job locations, and job types. I don't think you should ever put anything less than full, contract, part-time, and remote. All of that has to be there. Now, are you open for volunteer or internship? That's a whole other idea. But I think these 4 that I've checked are probably the standard 4 for all of us for an opportunity for a conversation. And make a decision if you want it to be only recruiters or everyone. I think if you are I know, if you are absolutely 100% in career transition, unemployed, looking for the next job, you want that to be public. But you also want it to be very purposeful. If you are, behind the scenes, sort of curious, interested, looking for jobs, I may not recommend you make it public. Make it only for recruiters. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I hope this quick little idea about how to use career interest and how to use commute preferences is helpful for you.